We thoroughly enjoyed our walking tour with Pauline. She shared so much history and data for the people of French Polynesia and how it came to be. Papeete is a bustling city, but we got to visit the quite serene walking areas of government buildings, such as the Queen's Baths, etc. We also wandered the market and she shared the local products and a vendor gave us a sample. She answered questions we had, shared maps and used a well-done iPad PowerPoint to assist. We were lucky to have a tour of just us. Highly recommend. We began our stay in Polynesia with Pauline, who showed us Papeete and introduced us to Polynesian history and culture. We had a wonderful time in her company. Go for it without hesitation. Pauline is an excellent and highly knowledgeable professional guide. She is extremely user-friendly and a delightful young lady. We could not have been more pleased with the itinerary nor her professional aplomb and charm. Top rating. Pauline was fabulous. We learned a great deal about French Polynesia, its history and the islands. Papeete was fascinating. The city is not only a great shopping spot, but also the home to beautiful parks, flowers and wildlife. The marché is tremendous. We truly enjoyed this tour. A must-do in Papeete. Tour guide was fantastic. Pauline was knowledgeable and entertaining. Took us all round, taking time to answer all of my questions. This was a great tour. The guide Pauline was very knowledgeable about the history of Tahiti and the city of Papeete. She used her tablet to show us many photos and explain many sites. And she spoke excellent English. This was a great way to start our visit to Papeete. Having arrived the night before, this walking tour enabled us to get a sense of the history and layout of the city, and our friendly guide offered several recommendations for other places to see, and things to do. It was nice having the option to do this tour privately, so it was just our group of 4, which makes it much easier to hear and keep the group together. Overall, highly recommend. Pauline was such a great tour guide. We met her at the designated meeting spot and then spent the next 2 hours walking around Papeete, seeing the sights and sounds of the city. Pauline showed us a nice mix of modern attractions and historical sites. Her enthusiasm for her city, her island, and her country were infectious. We were very happy to have spent that time seeing the capital of Tahiti and learning more about the culture.